ikaw yung nagdala nung ano. So, siguro, we will have all our opinions with Senator Enrile, but history will judge him in the future by future historians. At isa ito sa mga i-consider nila. Pero sa palagay ko, maganda naman at ang handling niya ng impeachment trial. At talagang lumabas yung kanyang galing. It's a dream come true for him. It's his chance na hindi siya, gusto niya maging presidente. Pero hindi siya naging presidente. But as Senate President, this is his chance to prove himself na ito magandang magiging katayuan niya sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas. It's a big job. It's a big job.
Senator Sagisag, you may have been in the opposing ends of the fence, ano, or sa kung anumang issue nun ni Senator Enrile nga po. Pero anong tingin nyo ang kanyang, nagampanan ba niya ng mabuti ang kanyang role sa impeachment trial na ito?
Well, una nating nakilala yan nung umiiral pang walang habag batas militar at yan supposed to be the administrator. Pero nung EDSA 1, the only EDSA to me, no, sila ni Manong Eddie joined the people. In the Senate, we had our differences. Huwag nyo na lang pagsasabi na once upon a time, nandun ako Senado. But anyway, on the military basis issue, September 16, 1991, his speech was one of the most appealing about the last lie to be turned off by the last bar girl in Olongapo. It was that moving and very persuasive. Off and on, wala na din kaming contact. Ngayon lang nababalita, nakikita natin, magaling. Sabi nung iba dyan, may kamandag pa raw. And anyway, this will really spell kung anong final chapter siguro. Except na yun niya, ang tingin ko sa kanya, takot kay Senator Miriam, no? Yun hindi maawat. I mean, si Lady Gaga, Lady Galing, Lady Ganda. Pero yun, pag, she would just let her on. Pero kung tayo, dahil sinasabi niya ngayon, igalang natin si Chief Justice. Bakit hindi niya sabi, igalang natin lahat ng pumupunta rito? Pagka ordinaryong mamamayan, binabastos nila ito sinasabi, hindi natin pwedeng basusin yan. Maestrado yan. No, that should apply to everybody dahil every Filipino is a particle of popular sovereignty. Silang mga atchoy lang natin yan. Public servants yan Kaya yun nga.
So nabago na po pala, Cathy, ang definition ng Lady Gaga. Lady Galing, Lady Ganda. Ganun na po ang definition.
Dito, alam ko rin yung mga characters. Rene Corona, I met only once. Pero yung father niya was the ninong of my eldest brother sa kasal in the mid-60s. And then, unfortunately, he lost his father the same way I lost my wife. Nabangga sa Luneta. Si Justice Apin, first, one of my initial cases in the 60s, Oraca Fieresano, pero kakampi ko si Doy Kisumbing, taga-abot lang ko ng folder, magaling. Tapos naging judge din siya sa CFI, nakalabang ko, number 1 sa bar. Nako, talagang very strict at magaling talaga. And over the years, kasama-sama rin kami. And I owe a lot to all these people dahil matututo ka kay Manong Jane, matututo ka kay Justice Apin.
At sana matuto din yung talagang ating mga batang abogado, yung ating mga batang politician at statesmen sa proseso ito. Pero gusto ko itanong kay Attorney Samonte, Cathy, moving forward, nabanggit nga kanina na there might be a possibility na tumagal dahil nga may 11 witnesses, but I'm sure you will not take the sitting down na hayaan na lang mag-drag on. Ano ang magiging strategy ng prosecution in case nga pilit nilang ipresenta isa-isa ito para tumagal?
Alam naman natin, Attorney Mark, na kung iisa lang ang sasabihin ng 10 na yon, we can even stipulate para lang to cut short the proceedings. And we will not tolerate any minute longer any attempt na if only to procrastinate or to delay even more the early termination of this case.
Okay.
So, we'll be on guard.
Yun nga po ba yung ginagawa ng prosecution? Kasi napansin po namin na open po kayo for stipulation on certain matters.
Yes, kasi calculated naman namin kung ano yung what the matters that we can stipulate on alam namin yun, how far we can go or how far we cannot go. So, you trust us, we know what we're doing.
Alright. Nikki?
Tanungin ko lang, no, follow-up lang ako kay Attorney Samonte. Bakit biglang naging malakas ang loob ni Chief Justice Corona na mag-testify? Sa palagay niyo, meron siyang pasabog?
Naku, your guess is good as ours. Hindi na talaga namin ma-decipher kung bakit out of the blue biglang ganun eh. Na talagang bewildered, as you may call it, na hindi namin alam pa up to this time kung saan direksyon papunta to.
Okay.
Now, gusto ko lang idagdag na kanina, somewhere along the way na pag-usapan natin, bakit biglang ganito? Monday, ganito. Tuesday, iba na. So, iniisip lang namin, at least on my personal level, na baka medyo nagising sila doon sa mga pronouncement ni Manong Johnny as the presiding officer, na kung sa tingin niyo walang probable cause na i-establish ang prosecution, then you have a problem. That's your problem. So, baka pinag-isipan nila deeply kung ano ibig sabihin ni Manong Johnny in that respect.
Follow-up lang before your other questions, Nikki. Attorney Samonte, sino po ba yung nakatakdang mag-cross-examine kay Chief Justice?
Yan.
Kay Chief Justice?
It must be Ayo Bautista as the lead private prosecutor.
Attorney
It
Bautista.
must be. Unless otherwise, papag-usapan ng team after due deliberation. But I think he should be the one.
Okay.
Okay, Nikki.
May katanungan tayo mula kay Vesa Torres ng Wesleyan University of the Philippines para kay Attorney JJ. Vesa?
Good afternoon po. Assuming nga po na sasalang si Chief Justice Corona, sino po yung mag-a-assign sa kanya para tanungin? Sino po? Sa panig po ng prosecution, sino po yung mag-a-assign sa kanya? Opo.
Sa prosecution. Hindi,
Sa
ang magpepresenta sa kanya ay ang depensa. Tapos, sabi nga ni Attorney Samonte, di ba si Attorney Ayo Bautista, isang batikan at mahusay na abogadong iniidolo naming mga medyo bata-bata ng konti. Pero, ito nga, pinag-usapan namin ni Attorney Trixie kanina, sino kaya sa prosecution ang magkocross naman dito kay Chief Justice Corona? And we're thinking, magaling si Attorney Cynthia. Very amiable yung mukha, pero pag nagtanong,
Ako
very
din, Attorney
incisive.
Cynthia.
Direct
Oo.
on the point,
Attorney Cynthia, Attorney Cynthia.
Kaya
Thank you,
excited kaming manood talaga, ma'am. Kasi sabi nga na ni Attorney Trixie, siguro din natin
Maraming
manonood
salamat
tayo.
sa sinabi nyo, sa compliment nyo, and I really am so flattered about that. But really, there are bigger heads in the prosecution. Kami ay mere soldiers. We just study what we are given. And definitely, our lead public prosecutor, si Congressman Tupas, and all the rest of the prosecution team, as well as the private prosecutors, yung mga mas-senior sa amin. Tama ka nga, di ba? Mas-senior sa amin. They're talking about this. But if the challenge is given to me, I'm going to welcome it. It's going to be my place in history, pero sorry parang hindi naman yata ako.
Attorney Cynthia, hindi po ba si Congressman Tupas ang magko-cross-examine kay Chief Justice? Dahil siya yung lead prosecutor.
Yes, that's right. He is the lead public prosecutor, but I think there is an agreement between the public prosecutors that at this particular point, as well as I think during the entire proceedings, private prosecutors ang pinagbigyan nila. Ang arrangement is private prosecutors ang gagawa, and we are very much honored with the privilege of handling this impeachment case with them.
Okay,
May isa
Nikki,
pang
question from the
katanungan,
audience. Yes.
From Christopher John de la Peña ng Bataan Peninsula State University, may katanungan siya kay Attorney Samonte. Christopher?
Kung sakaling di nyo po nagustuhan yung mga sagot ni Chief Justice Corona, ano po yung magiging reaction nyo?
Well, it's not for me to say kung gusto ko o hindi, but I will leave it to the court, to the impeachment court, to assess yung kung ano man yung sasabihin niya, if he will be very truthful. Ito only on the assumption na he will really take the stand, which up to now I myself, para sa akin, ewan ko pa, if only he will, then he must face the music. Not
Okay.
only from us, but more so from the senator judges.
Okay, katanungan ko lang kay Attorney Trixie, representative ng IBP, dahil yung Integrated Bar of the Philippines, kumbaga tayo yung umuupong mga sundalo ng judiciary. Kung kayo po ang tatanungin, ano po ang iyong inyumumungkahi para po sa event na mag-testify si Chief Justice, maprotektahan nga po yung dignidad ng kanyang posisyon bilang punong maestrado?
Sa totoo lang, there's very little we can do once nasa stand na siya. Siya lang ang talagang pwede magprotekta sa sarili na. Pagka nasa witness stand ka, you're actually alone. Pagka, kahit may abogado ka, kahit may abogadong nagdidependa sa'yo o may tumutunggali dun sa nag-cross-examine sa'yo, in the end, you answer for whatever is charged against you and you answer it alone. So, ang recognition na lang siguro na at that moment that he takes the stand, merong sinasabi ang isang eminent na jurist sa US that every time someone is accused, not only is he the one on trial, but the system is also on trial. So, the best that we can do is to ensure that the procedure is followed, that his rights are respected, but nevertheless, we also have to understand that ang konteksto nito ay the greater public good. But in the end, yun na nga, he speaks for himself, and he speaks alone.
All right, at we trust that the commitment of the senators, the commitment of the presiding officer will be met, na talagang rerespetuhin at talagang igagalang ang Chief Justice.
At yung commitment din na ginawa ni Attorney Judd Roy na sinabi niyang tetestigo nga itong si Chief Justice.
Oo, pero nga sa lahat ng ito, tuloy-tuloy ang buhay for all of us. We'd like to greet RV Edrosa. Happy birthday. Thank you for being always here and serving. At syempre yung hindi po tumitigil ang buhay ng ating bansa at yung ating mga negosyante nagdinegosyo pa rin, yung ating mga abogado nag-a-appear pa rin sa korte. Pero nga we're seeing the last few days of this trial and I hope we will see better days ahead because of this.
Home stretch na nga, ika nga, Mark. Kaya with that, alamin natin yung mensahe ng ating mga panauhin ngayong hapon. Umpisahan natin mula kay Xiao Chua.
Okay, una sa lahat, maraming salamat muli sa PTV. Dito nakikita natin hindi pera-pera lang. Yung airtime ginagamit for more mature